You would never realize how many things you need to do such a little project. But it's going to be a fun day. We get a little bit of shingling left to do. The freeze boards, we already cut the template. It fits perfect after coffee. We're going to take this sheet off my roof racks and cut it down and make it fit. It ought to be beautiful. Well, coffee is long since over. And just to show you what I had to do for this setup so I can walk up here comfortably. It's well built. It'll hold together. But I've never seen this detail before, so I'm going to stop it right at the freeze board here. So I tacked one in place, put an angle on it. I'll end up with a little 1/4-inch rip going all the way along there. But I'm matching the detail they had out back, and then I'll get a freeze board all the way across here. So this is a lot of pieces and a lot of fun. My coworker's on lunch, so I just thought I'd put out an update. Well, that is a wrap. That was a day of hard work just to tie all that together. But hey, I learned something new. I had to match their pre-existing on the other side so it would look right. I've never had to do that little detail on shingle before, so it was fun. Anyways, leave a comment, a like, subscribe, whatever you want to do.